very much touched by the parents here. All over the world the story was there. The most important thing is those parents found the power, I don't know where from, but to convert their sorrow and their happiness and this tragedy to find the power to help others and to prevent those cases to happen again. And this is something that I very much appreciate. I'm here only to listen. I just want to learn where and what you are planning, and I'll be very happy to assist whenever I can. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you. Simon sir, please.
Yeah, just I'm Vicky Sepu. Just wanted to share. It's a very emotional time. There's no doubt about that, and we are all grateful that we can be such a powerful couple.
Yes.
Who could do that.
Yes.
Now, my idea is that you see the society has to be improved. Now, through education, through other systems and all that. Today, we are very individualistic society. You see, everybody thinks that I am, that nobody else is there. Now, how this country, that from the individual knowledge, we go to collaborative knowledge and that's what I work on a kind of a theme that we need to convert our population knowledge to wisdom. If that wisdom comes, such cases will not happen. And I am sorry to say these cases are every day increasing in spite of everything, right? Because we work on a kind of a individuality, and individuality does not go further in society. So my request is that why Manga Sahab and we've been kind of talking about this, that it is the time, it is the the government is working on economics. Every day you see what is happening to industry, or nobody is working for human resources. What is happening to human? You get every day one economic times which share is going up, where is that? But nowhere is that what are the human beings of this country are doing, right? And there is a huge misguidance. Today, if you go to the banks, you go to everywhere, they are given targets. You see, so the organizations, everything is on money and kind of a power, rather than towards the wisdom where everybody wins. So the idea is my role will be that I will like that when we have such powerful people and such dedicated people, and here I meant to say whole life they are given to these cause, that we have somewhere in this country bring that whole knowledge should be go to the wisdom level. Now how to go it? There is a very steady and very solid proven steps we can take in this country. But I tell you that my personal feeling that it is not only the wisdom, it is the improvement of everybody. These cases will not happen if everybody is aware that what the society goes through that. So I think this group will be a good platform to go ahead and all that. So I think even our honorable member also said that we have to change. I know that, and I have gone through that. So I think if we can jointly work on human resource development, I think nothing can be better than that. And nobody else has to improve yourself. That I have to improve myself. I cannot improve others. So if each individual take this thing, then I think we can do that. And that is what the total aim and objective of our meeting is. Thank you very much.